Hummingbirds feed constantly to fuel their rapid wing beats and agile flight. Their diet revolves around nectar, which they sip using their long tube-like beaks and split tongues that flick up to 13 times per second. But they don't just feed, they pollinate. As they move from flower to flower, hummingbirds play a vital role in nature's grand cycle, helping plants reproduce and ecosystems thrive. With each buzz and blur of color, they're not just surviving, they're sustaining life around them. But despite their beauty and brilliance, hummingbirds face increasing threats: habitat destruction, climate change, and harmful pesticides put pressure on their fragile world. By creating safe space supporting clean environments and spreading awareness, we can ensure these tiny wonders continue to dazzle the skies. Montage of hummingbirds flying freely, feeding, caring for young, from a tiny egg to a master of the skies. The journey of a hummingbird is one of resilience, beauty, and wonder. Let's celebrate them, protect them, and keep their stories flying high.